Hi everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. In the last video, we will show how to create an XSA linked list. Now, in this video, we will learn how to insert new element into a linked list. So there are three main cases. First, inserting at the start. Second, inserting at the end. And third, inserting at the specific position using the index. So let's move to VS Code and see first case, insert at the starting position. So inside our linked list class, I will create a method called insert at start. Insert at start, and it takes a value data. And first, I will create a new node. Const new node is equal to new node with the data value. Then I will connect this new node with the existing list. So I will say new node dot next is equal to this dot head. Then and finally I will update the head to the new node, means this dot head is equal to new node. That's it. This is how we add a node at the beginning. So if I run this, first I have to write this list dot insert at starting position 0, list dot insert at starting position -10. If I run this, I get -10, -0, 10, 20 and 30. Means every time I write the list dot insert at starting position -20, it comes this before 10, -20, -10, 0, 10, 20. So this is a big of one complexity and a simple one to insert at the starting index. So next one is the insert at the ending index. So how we can add a new node at the last position of the last of this linked list. So first I have to create a insert at end method. It takes data, and first I will create a new node like before. Const new node is equal to new node, and now I add the 40 this data. Then if the list is empty, that means head is null, so this new node will become the head. So I have to check whether this dot head is empty or not. If it's true, then this dot head is equal to new node, and I have to return from this here. Next, if else otherwise I have to traverse the list entirely by using this let current is equal to this dot head while current dot next, and update the current by current dot next. And finally I will connect the last node with our new nodes, means current dot next is equal to new node. And so this way a new element gets added at the end of the linked list. If I run the list dot insert at the ending position, which is 40, list dot insert at the ending position, which is 50, and I run this, I will get 40 and 50 at the ending position of this linked list. So basically we are just creating a new node and check whether this list has elements or not. If it is not empty, we have to traverse the entire list and come out the after these last element and last node, we just add this new node and then print this linked list. Now we have to let's see how to insert a node at the any given position using the index. So let's write a new function, new method, insert at position. Now in this time I will give the index also and the data. and run this. First create a new node as usual. Const new node is equal to new node with the data. Then if the index is 0, we just call the logic of the insert at start position. Means if index is equal to 0, we have to call new node dot next is equal to this dot next, and this dot head, and this dot head is equal to new node. And return this. So as otherwise if the index is not 0, then we have to traverse until that index. Means let current is equal to this dot head. Means I just copy this linked list into this current, and let count equal to 0 to traverse until this index, and start a while loop, which is current is not equal to null, and this count is smaller than index -1 value, and every time I have to update this current. Current dot next, and count plus plus. Then if current is equal to null, means there is no position out of this position is out of range. If current is equal to null, then this position is out of range. I have to write this position out of range and return this. Else just make a new node dot next is equal to current dot next. Current dot next is equal to new node, and if I run this, list dot insert at position at the 0th index, and the value is -90. Now if I run this, I will get -90 at the 0th index of this. If I want to insert at the 5th index, list dot insert at the 5th index, and I want to add the -100 and run this, I get -100 at the 5th. 1 2 3 4 5, and after this I will get this. If I want to check whether the out of bound position, then I write just 50th position and add the 55. Now I will get position out of bound range here. So these are the methods to insert at the start, insert at the end, and insert at the position. Now let's see the key points to remember. Insert at the starting index is the big of 1. Very fast, it is very fast. And insert at the index is the big of n, because we must traverse the list, entire list. And insert at the position is also big of n, since we need to find the index first. That's why linked lists are more flexible for insertion compared to array. So that is for this video. We will learn how to insert nodes at the start, end, and at any position in a linked list. In the next video we will continue with the more linked list operation. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to JDCodebase. See you in the next one.